take a cup of kindness yet for all lang syne. Should old acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind? Should old acquaintance be forgot and all lang syne? For all lang syne, my dear, for all lang syne, we'll take a cup of kindness yet for all lang syne.
Hey everyone, this is Coach Miranda Minor. Kamusta ka naman? I hope everything is okay sa'yo at this point. Woohoo! Kamusta ka naman? Palapakan po natin ang isa't isa. Welcome to another edition of Coach Miranda Minor's Daily Cryptocurrency Charting. Uy, teka lang. Before ko makalimutan, alam ko na-miss nyo na itong mga daily introductions natin. No? So teka lang, antayin po natin, isa-isahin po natin ang ating mga presentations for today kaysa naman tayo ay iintay ng countdown. No? So why don't we go ahead and do our countdown sa pamamagitan ng pagpapanood ng iba't ibang klaseng mga importanteng paalala. Alright, yan ating paalala for today. No? I'm not your financial advisor. Kung ikaw ay bago sa ating channel, please ensure that you are guided. No? Yan, may mga risks ang ating show. Ha? So, some of this video pinapanood ko na rin sa inyo doon sa ating trailer. Sa mga kaka-join pa lang or kanina pa nag-join, siguro meron kayo nakitang trailer dyan. So, panoorin niyo yung trailer ng maayos, ha? So, all of you, okay? Alright, let's do this together! Alright, so our topic for today is going to be about the 2021 year-end asset performance, no? Bakit ba importante na isang trader, nire-review natin yung performance ng isang asset, no? It's important for us as traders to review this because malalaman natin dito kung tama ba yung desisyon natin, tama ba yung ginawa nating desisyon sa pagbili ng isang coin on a long-term perspective. Papakita ko sa inyo kung gaano ang kapangyarihan ng isang long-term investor na hindi laging nakukuha ng isang trader. Okay? So, question sa inyo, question to all of you. If you guys are promised, okay, question sa inyo lahat, sagutin niyo itong tanong ko, no? If you guys are promised of an investment return of 50%, okay, investment return of 50%, what is going to be your decision? Mag-i-invest ka ba dyan sa coin na yan? Are you going to invest on that coin or asset? Type number 1 if you will. Sige nga. I would like to know sino sa inyo ang magsasabing, yes, I will invest and no, I will not. 50% guaranteed. Guaranteed, hindi po non-guarantee, no? Or sabihin na natin 25%. 25%. Sino dito? Sounds exciting, no? Sounds exciting. If you are promised an asset return of 50% and 25% guaranteed, why not? Diba? Why not? So later on, I will show to you the power of waiting. The power of waiting. At malamang sa malamang, marami sa inyo ang magsasabi na sayang. Sana pala ginawa ko to. Sana pala I should have invested. No? Sana pala I should have done this. Blah, 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 blah. No? Kasi some of us are not, obviously, some of us are thinking, ano ba yung gagawin ko dito, coach? What should I do? Blah, blah, blah. And some of us are, depende sa risk appetite, sa risk capacity, and risk requirement, nagiging trader na lang. Pero I would like you guys to think about, okay, because start tayo ng taon, no? I want you guys to think about another way of earning money, which is through sitting. Another way to earn money, which is through waiting. Mamaya, I will prove to you that waiting can give you massive returns. Sa may mga insurance dito, sa may mga insurance and mutual funds, pag pinakitaan kayo ng computation ng inyong mga financial advisors, they will give you a permutation or a mathematics of the probable income potential of your asset. And sa Pilipinas po, prescribed ng Insurance Commission to only show 10% maximum. Ang Bangko Sentral at ang mga bangko, they're the ones governing UITFs. And as far as I know, mutual funds are care of SECs. So iba-iba yan ha. SEC mutual funds, Bangko Sentral is the UITF, and then Insurance Commission for Variable Unit Link Insurances. As far as I know, lahat ng permutations na pinapakita sa mga kliyente, hindi po lumalagpas ng 10%. No? Hindi natin pwedeng pakitaan ng isang kliyente na in 10 years, meron kang CAGR worth of 100% because we have 10% guaranteed performance of our fund assets every year. Hindi po pwede yun. Pina-question po yan ngayon. Okay? Pina-question po yan. So we need to make sure that we have a level of information. Bilang isang retailer, dapat may konti tayong alam dito. Tuturo ko sa iyo ngayon yan. Pag pinakitaan ka ng isang assets, o isang asset na pwedeng kumita ng 50%, pwede pala nating paniwalaan. Pwede palang mangyari. Pwede palang totoo. Pwede palang posible. Pwede palang legit. O sige nga, Miranda Minor, pakitaan mo nga kami. Sige nga, I would like to understand paano ba yan and how do I do that? Ano yung kailangan kong malaman? Pakitaan mo kami ng evidence na possible pala yan. Sige nga, that is our topic for today because I'm going to show to you and I'm going to prove to you that the power of waiting, okay, sabi nga ni Kuya Warren Buffett, sabi niya, I earn from waiting, not on trading. Kaya nga, he is the very famous valued investor. He doesn't trade. So he uses time and he uses time to look for the high potential assets and coins. In fact, sabi rin niya sa mga libro niya, just ensure you invest on assets nang meron siyang beta correlation or meron siyang beta aligned with SPX 500. Sabi niya yon. Sabi niya, kailangan yung asset mo correlated with SPX para umaangat ang SPX, umaangat ka din. Case in point, bakit? Ang SPX 500, 3 taon na pong positive yan. After nung pinakahuling nangyari noong 2020, positive pa rin yan. Coming from pagbagsak niya ng March, umangat pa rin yan by December. 2021, positive din. Diba? So 2 years rather, I stand corrected. 2 years consistent positive po ang trajectory. In fact, this year nag-all-time high ang SPX 500. Ibig sabihin, yung index pwedeng tumaas. Anong ginagawa ng mga insurance mga providers? Anong ginagawa ng mga hedge fund managers? What do they do? Ang ginagawa nila, nag-i-invest sila sa mga assets na katugma ng SPX 500 para guaranteed yung kanilang performance. Bakit guys? I'll give you an example. Alam mo ba sa eToro, ito hindi ko alam kung alam nyo to, no? In eToro, there is what you call copy trades. And in eToro, meron doon beat Nasdaq. Meron dong portfolio beat the Nasdaq kasi Nasdaq has always been performing. 'Di ba? Nasdaq, Dow Jones, SPX. Meron sila dong algorithm na pag kinapi mo tong portfolio, although medyo mahal, portfolio na to, guaranteed for the whole year yung pera mo kikita na kasing ganda ng kinikita ng Nasdaq per year. 'Di ba? So, almost guaranteed kasi pwede pala yun. Pwede pala yung ganun. I'm going to show that to you. I'm going to prove that to you. Okay? And I'm going to make sure alam mo how do you now look on these particular assets. Huwag ka lang maging myopic. Huwag ka lang tumingin sa isang coin. Itong show natin, tuturuan kita tumingin sa macroeconomics. Titingin ka ngayon. I mean, if you continue to learn from Miranda Minor, tuturuan kita the whole year, punong-puno ng knowledge yan. Meron tayong macroeconomics, inflation, di ba? Meron tayong economics, interest rates, yield rates, potential recessions. Ano ibig sabihin nun? What happens when the Fed increases the rates? Ano nangyari? All of that we're going to discuss. But this time, I'm going to discuss year-end 2021 performance. Totoo pala. Pwede palang may mga assets that can perform 50%. Wow. Alright. So before we start, I would like to say ang panata po natin, sabayan niyo po ako. Gusto kong disiplinahin ka, pagalitan ka, sermonan ka, kukulitin kita, at hindi ako mapapagod gabi-gabi magpaalala na sabihing mahal na mahal kita dahil alam kong yayaman ka, uunlad ka, matututo ka, at makakasabay ka. Tiyagain mo lang. Papasaan ba? You will become profitable too or you are already profitable. And of course, isang linggo po natin itong pangako. Maraming salamat Kuya Joris at ang inyong buong pamilya. Mga moderators natin sa Leyte, care of Kuya Joris Pelias, at mga volunteers tulad ni Zo Figueroa, Martinoy Absin, Sassy Labrador, Maruha Labrador, Luigi Labrador, Marco Bautista, Kenneth Coloma, Rishi Toledo. Maraming salamat sa pagmamahal. And thank you again, BingX. Guys, supportan natin ng BingX. Let's all download their platform. Napakabait na leadership team. Alam mo ba, sa totoo lang guys, ito ang bibiro. Kachat ko mga leadership team niyan. Kachatmate ko yung chief brand officer niyan. Kachatmate ko yung chief head ng finance nila. Di ba? Chatmate natin. Di ba? Chatmate natin. Sobrang galing ng kumpanya to. Natutuwa ako sa kumpanya. Alam nila Ira yan. Sobrang bait. No? And thank you again, BingX. Mahal na mahal ko kayo. Alam nyo yan. Maraming salamat sa pagtulong. At kung kulang na lang, magpatataka ko, magbigay ako ng, inaantay ko yung merch ninyo guys, abangan nyo. I'm going to show pag nag-face reveal tayo, I'm going to show BingX merchandise. Salamat po. Maraming salamat BingX for your merchandise. They're going to give me shirts, caps, and I think calendars yata. No? Hindi ko alam. Basta mugs or shirts. Miss Ira, ano ba yung papadala nila sa atin? So thank you again in advance. Maraming salamat. No? BingX, I love you, all of you. Sherry, Emerson, ang dami. Parang kilala ko na halos lahat ng mga empleyado nila. No? So salamat. Okay. Okay, let's now move on. Again, maraming salamat to all the BingX family and to Joris and your wife and your kids and everyone in your family. Yan. Kanilang pictures, no? Uy guys, mag-comment ko nga, malinaw ba yung audio ko? Is this better this time? If-flex ko lang yung audio natin, no? Medyo malinaw ba? Is this better this time? Because I love it like this, no? Medyo malinaw din sa pandinig ko. Although minsan masakit lang sa tenga ko yung headset. Pero if you guys are seeing me right now, ang itsura ko, ako ay merong malaking microphone, parang YouTuber na merong headset. At I'm talking in front of myself. Siyempre, wala man akong camera, no? So malinaw ba ako? Yan, malinaw daw. Thank you. Very good. Okay, let's now try to move on. Yan. Of course, please download social media platform nila. They have renamed themselves. They now call themselves as BingX. No? So download. Ang aking pong link is SOIJXF. Moderators, please pass our link dyan sa chat room. Please download BingX for you to have a chance to get $100 bonus. No, trading bonus po 'yan. Speaking of bonus, meron din pong bonus ang kapatid nating Bybit. Maraming salamat. I'm going to submit and pass this link sa chat room. Ayan. Okay. So please download Bybit for you to get a chance to earn $100 bonus. No? At kung gusto mo namang sumali sa ating raffle, guys, sumali kayo dyan. Bukas 10 ang aking iraraffle na mananalo ng 500 pesos. Anong gagawin mo dyan? 10 ang mananalo bukas, guys. 10. Umunta ka ngayon sa Twitter ko. Look for my Twitter account. No? When you go to my Twitter account, hanapin mo yung post ko about yan, ito. Pamaskong handog. You need to do this, no? Yan. Please download their platform and retweet this post. Ilagay mo lang Miranda Minor recommends Bybit and tag Bybit official. 142 na yung retweet. Guys, 10 ang mananalo bukas ng 500 pesos. 10. Mag-download ka na. Please. Sayang naman yung 500. Bigay mo sa mga friends mo. Speaking of raffle, magra-raffle na po tayo ng lahat ng mga nag-comment ng Be Curious with Sisla. Ano po ba yung video na kailangan mong komentan? Yun po yung video ko kahapon. Komentan po ninyo yung video na yon, okay? Komentan po ninyo yung video na yon, and for you to have an ability to win 500 pesos. Guys, araw-araw na ito hanggang January 30 as far as I know. So 27 yung nag-comment. Tingnan po natin kung 27 pa din yan. 97 na yung 104 na yung nag-comment. Let's see sino pong mananalo unang-una. Let's all do this together. The first 500 will go to Roylan Minano. Congratulations. Congratulations, Roylan Minano. Yan, maraming salamat sa inyo. Congratulations to you. Okay, so please claim your prize to Miss Ira or Miss Erin. Yan, 500 pesos. Congratulations po ulit. Guys, i-retweet mo na ito ha. This is 10 ang mananalo bukas. 10. I-retweet mo. Alam mo na yung gagawin dyan, okay? 10 yan. Okay? So 10. Alam mo na. One time ka lang mananalo. One time ka lang mananalo. Siyempre, bigyan mo na ng chance yung iba. Di ba? Okay? So congratulations. Thank you, Miss Ira and Miss Erin. Or Miss Erin, maraming salamat sa support mo nung wala si Miss Ira, ha? Thank you so much. Congratulations to Roylan Minano. Hashtag Be Curious for Sisla. Maraming salamat, Sisla, ang ating pong kapatid na at ating kaibigan na si Dan Bauer or Boer. Tuwan-tuwa tayo sa taong yan. No? Congratulations to you. Alam ko meron pa tayong interview. Miss Kylen, if you're listening, schedule na natin para makagawa na tayo ng marketing materials to promote the show, ha? So schedule na natin yan. This coming weeks, mas maganda, 2 weeks in advance, mas schedule na natin para we can do the appropriate announcements ahead of time. Congratulations. Okay, let's now move on with some of our announcements before tayo mag-show, no? So, yan. So, if you are yet to be enrolled, tingnan mo yung mga napakagaganda pong mga testimonials na ating mga estudyante on Batch 22. Tingnan mo basahin mo yung mga comments nila. And this time, I would like to read this feedback coming from Dennis Miranda. Sabi dito, identify, ano ba yung mga aha moments ninyo? Sabi ni Dennis Miranda, identifying confirmation candles, talaga mapapaaha ka at wow ka na lang. Standard deviation aha moment, now I know where to place my liquidation line. The 3 powerful systems, super aha, dito gawa ng ito ang bread and butter ko after my beginner class graduation, and see you Coach Miranda and team sa intermediate class. Yan. Looking forward, Dennis Miranda, no? And of course, doon sa mga avail ng ating intermediate class. Yan, ako. Intermediate class. Yan po. Alright, looking forward, no? So, ang aha moment ko dito is yung sobrang laki ng tulong ng correlation sa pag-start ng trading for a day trade. I'm telling you right now, lahat ng tinuturo ko po, no, sa university, yan po ay merong impluensya, meron pong konting legit fund management theories po yan. Bakit? Because Miranda Minor has a certificate of portfolio management and portfolio construction. No? Meron po akong certificate. I got that from a legitimate university that provides that course. No? So nire-echo ko sa inyo yan, aside sa aking training, aside sa aking MBA, aside sa aking trading experience, lahat pinagsama-sama na natin para isahan na lang. Hindi ka lang matututo ng trading, you're also going to learn how to manage your wallets. Importante yan, guys. Di ba? Mamaya, marirealize mo yan. Bakit? Yan mo yung mga fund managers. Di ba? There's a system for you to become even profitable in waiting. Meron po may mga mathematics yan. Ang tingin mo ba, hinuhulaan lang ng mga fund managers ang kanilang assets? Kailangan magaling ka at least meron kang logic at may mathematics ka. So, hindi pwedeng hindi ko ituturo ang mathematics in trading because dapat ang lente ninyo bilang isang trader, hindi lang kayo puro trading. Importante yan. Ma-realize nyo mamaya. There's a slide that I will make you realize the power of waiting. Because if you did wait, you would have been 50% richer of your money. Diba? Alright, so mind setting and habits, anatomy of the feast. Yan, tinuturo ko lahat yan. So, feel free to enroll. Guys, puno na po ang ating classes. No? Available na. Actually, itong February 4 and 11, itong February 18 and 20, ito pong dalawang class na ito pong dalawa, mapupuno na po yan. 20% na lang po ng class ang iniintay namin. Ang next na pong class is sa March na. Sa March na po. Punong-puno. Grabe. Salamat, no? Tapos wala na po tayong 5,000 na combo. Pero meron pa tayong combo na beginner and intermediate. Instead of paying 1,500 each, pag kinuha mo siyang combo, you will only pay 2,799. So instead of 3,000, you will only pay 2,799. Kunin mo na yan. At least 30 hours of learning yan. And of course, maging tulad ng isang estudyante natin, si Evander, sabi niya, Coach, maraming salamat. A few months of learning, your system can produce a lifetime of freedom. Thank you. Yan, alright. Ano ba ang laman ng ating kurso? Yan po, beginner's course, intermediate course, and one-on-one mentoring. In-upgrade ko na po yan, 3 beginner setups that you need to learn and master for you to become profitable. Scalping 2.0, I'm also discussing it sa beginner class. And, hindi ko pa sinasama dito yung libre na yan na portfolio file. Doon mo nilalagay lahat. Ginawa ko na. May journal na yun. Doon na lahat. Bigay ko na lang sa'yo. Basta doon na lahat yun. Congratulations to you na ma-receive mo yan. Kung nagbayad ka ng 1,500, dahil mo na nakuha. Diba? I mean, huwag niyong isipin yung price. To be honest with you, hindi ko minimize yung price. Mahal pa rin yung price kung wala kang pera. But if you are there, alam mo yun, for example, isa kang piloto, isa kang ingenyero, gusto mong gawing seryoso yung pagiging trading, guys, ano man lang yung ininvest mo na 1,500 na love fee? Sa ibang universidad nga, 4 na taon bubunuin mo para matuto ka. Sa TESDA, ito kang TESDA. Diba? Punta ka sa mga other universities. Kunyari, gusto mo matuto ng blue-collar na job, maging driver. Magkano bayad sa driving school? Seryoso. Diba? If you want this to become your source of income, then aralin mo, upuan mo. Diba? Upuan mo siya. Anyways, of course, follow me in Spotify as well. Maraming salamat sa mga ginagawa pong driving partner ang ating Spotify. No? Nakakita po ako ng mga posts. Sometimes some people are even doing their bicycles, they're doing their running habang nakikinig po nito. Pakinggan po ninyo yan. One of my favorite is The Power of Yet. Para pong preaching, panoorin mo, pakinggan mo po lahat yan. No? Ayan, maraming salamat. And of course, ang topic natin today is thank you again to CoinDesk for this very, very good thumbnail. Hindi ko po ginawa yung thumbnail yan. Maraming salamat. Credit po sa kanila yan. Maraming salamat sa inyong CoinDesk. Alright, our topic now is 2021 year-end asset performance. Alright, before we do that, review of our coin prices as of today. Alright, let's now do this. Okay, isang buong refresh before natin talakayin ang prices ng coin. Sana naman tama na ito ha. Tama na ito, coin market cap. Sana naman ayusin nyo yung price ninyo. I-double check ko nga. Wait lang Wait lang. For 47,238. Is that correct? Okay, almost it looks like. All right, let's now read the price based on CMC. All right, Bitcoin 4,723 flatline within the year. Flatline po yan, no? Nakita mo to, natandaan mo to ha. I need you to focus on this because magiging part ito ng ating topic for today. Listen, may call to action ako mamaya. You need to listen, I'm telling you, okay? Please listen because I will have a call to action for you. Ito pong year-to-date price ito, tatandaan mo po ito ha. Please make sure you remember this. So it's actually year-to-date, as of today, January 3, year-to-date is negative 0.94% or 94 basis points negative. Ethereum currently at 38.21, positive 2% for today. Year-to-date, 1.46. Binance Coin, $530, positive 1.41. Tether is currently at 78 billion dollars. Solana, $174.87, flatline within 24 hours. Negative 1.98 year-to-date. Cardano, 1.37, 0.39 24 hours at 0.74 negative ang year-to-date. Laktaw na tayo kay XRP. XRP is at 84 cents a piece, currently at 0.3% negative. Negative 0.32 or 32 basis points. 0.68 negative on year-to-date. Terra Luna, number 9. Humahataw si Terra Luna today. 93.28. Napasok natin yung breakout niya. Congratulations. 4.29. Napasok natin yan. Thank you. So, thank you, Luna. At positive 1.9 year-to-date. Polkadot, 30.56. 4.48%. 5.97. AVAX, 112.42. Negative 2.33. Ito ay nagre-retrace. AVAX. Okay. Dogecoin, 0.1722, negative 0.4, negative 0.21. Shiba Inu is at 33.98, positive 0.32, flatline po siya. At 90 days, lumaktaw ng 106% and 0.39 year to date. Polygon Matic, 2.49, may nakaabang dito na all-time high itong part na to. This is the previous all-time high, itong part ng chart na to. Ito, tingnan mo to ha, yan. So, abangan mo dyan pag binasag niya yan pataas. Maganda yung chart. This is a good-looking chart. CRO, umakit na po, 0.58. Pero, 90 days, very good. Pero, 24 hours flatline siya. Okay, let's go now on DeFi. Uy, humatawa mga DeFi ngayon. Congratulations to the DeFi hodlers, ha. Okay, speaking of DeFi, Terra Luna, positive 4.28%. Congratulations. Uni, 8.6 at Chainlink. Natutuwa ako kay Chainlink. Napasok natin yan. Kanina pinag-uusapan namin ng mga mentors. Congratulations, Erin, ha? Ang galing mo. Napasok mo, nagkaroon ka ng profit. Congratulations dyan. Alright, Terra Luna, $93.35, positive 4.43, ranked number 9 on the ranking. AVAX, 112.54. Uniswap, 18.88, positive 8.3 year-to-date. Whew! Grabe. Chainlink, $23, positive 11.39 year-to-date. Congratulations. Phantom, umakyat din kahit paano, 3.71. Congratulations to all of you. AAV, 8.51, humataw din po. Kaya yung tweet ko ngayon yung mga DeFi are on the roar. DeFis are roaring, Maker, Compound, lahat po naghatawan pataas. Congratulations, guys. Alright, well done, mga DeFi hodlers. Let's now go to NFTs. Ito naman, medyo stagnant to, no? NFTs are stagnant. For example, case in point, Decentraland. Stagnant 0.29 within the day. Positive 334 within the past 90 days. Pero year-to-date, almost shy of 1% negative. Axie Infinity, positive 3.47 year-to-date, $97.33 a piece. Sand, flat din po yan, 5.82. Naglalaro sa price ng 6 to $5.8 pataas, no? Negative 2.46. Tether, flatline, 4.84 at negative 2.04. Within the day, 48%. Gala, pare-pareha sila, no? Look at them. They're all within the same wavelength, no? 1 to 2% positive, negative. Ito po ang kapangyarihan ng indicator na tinuturo ko sa inyo sa university. Hindi pwede na lahat ng takbo ng coin nakaugma kay Bitcoin. Hindi ganoon. May indicator 'yan. Merong tinuturo tayong indicator for you to know. So for example, si Mana tahimik, hindi gumagalaw. Hindi ibig sabihin na hindi ka natataya sa iba. 'Di ba? Meron pang other coins like the DeFis. Kasi iba yung kanyang correlation. 'Di ba? So merong metric 'yan. So aralin mo 'yan, no? In this case, you have engine, positive, ito, medyo humiwalay si engine kasi nakarang araw, bugbog na bugbog to, no? Si engine coin. Nagre-retrace, nagkakaroon ng cup and handle tong performance na to. Mas maganda kunin mo to sa breakout ng trend resistance line dito. Abangan mo. Mamaya, we will do charting for that, no? So congratulations to all of you. Si Sushi, pinag-usapan din namin ng mga moderators to kanina. Tingnan natin yan, 9.3. Sushi swap pala to, no? Tama, Sushi 9.29, medyo may pagka-bullish. Pero sabi ko dito, may nakaabang na 618, antay ka na ng breakout on the 618 area. Baka hatawin pababa yan. So be very careful with that. Okay, that is our coin review for the day. Type number 1 kung ikaw po ay ready na sa ating topic for today. Ang ating fundamental topic for today is about 2021 year-end asset performance. Yan. Type number 1 if you're ready. Yung lang po kung tuwig mabilis. Wait lang po. Wait lang. Okay. So our topic for today is about fund performance, no? So ito na, balik tayo sa topic natin kanina. After the announcements, after the coin review, let's now go with our topic for today. So, magkakaroon ka ng mga aha moments ngayon. No? I'm going to encourage you to open your mind kasi I will lalatagan kita ng isang topic na tingin kong magugustuhan mo at medyo pangako ko sa'yo, mag-iisip ka ng, ay sayang. Ay bakit? Ba't di ko ginawa yun? Sayang naman. Ba't hindi ko ba inisip talaga yun? Ano ba yung ginawa ko? Dapat pala pinapalakpakan na ako ng tao ngayon dahil kinita ko na yun no? Ba't ko ba hindi ginawa? So you will have some realizations like that. And without further ado, I'm going to present to you the fund performance of all the year-to-date performance of the coins. Okay, listen to this very carefully. Presenting the year-to-date performance of equities index coins in a long-term perspective. Laktawan natin lahat. Let's go to Bitcoin. Guys, Bitcoin on the start of 2021 grew 59.12%. Ibig sabihin nun, pag nag-iwan ka ng 1 million pesos kay Bitcoin by the start of the year, you would have earned 590,000 pesos. Iniwan mo yung pera mo because when we opened the year, nasa around 31,000 plus ang Bitcoin last year. Hindi ka nag-trade, hindi ka nakinig kay Miranda Miner, wala kang ginawa, iniwan mo lang yung pera mo, wala kang pakialam, your money still grew 59.12%. Ang tanong ko sa iyo is, meron ka ba tulad ni Miranda Miner na iniwan na pera when the year started? Iniwan na pera on a coin position. Pag wala, i-type mo number 2 or Sayang. Diba? So, fund managers and other capital investors, ang ginagawa nila, they are leveraging the fact that the index, in this case, are going to grow. In this case, 2,139 basis points for Nasdaq or 21.39%. S&P 500, two years in a row, 26.89%. Dow Jones, positive 18.73%. The 10-year yield is at 1.51, no? Alam ko, ang 2-year ngayon is ang 2.5, lumiliit na po ang delta between the 10-year and the 2-yield interest rates, no? So, umakyat ng 59.7 basis points. Bitcoin currently at 59.12 or 5,112 basis points improvement. And oil is currently at 55.5% as well. Nakalagay dito, the three major equity index begin 2022 near record highs after closing out the best 3-year performance since 1999. So, this is really, 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 really good. Imagine mo, meron ka 1 milyon sa bangko. Ang tanong, okay, sinong bangko ngayon, pakilala mo nga ako, sino pong bangko ngayon ang magbibigay sa'yo ng 59% interest in 1 year? Baka kutusan pa tayo nun. Diba? Seriously, guys. There's no bank that's going to give you 59%. So imagine mo, hindi ka marunong mag-trade, hindi ka nagtitrade, you just went on your life. This is a money you can burn. The money that you are willing to lose. 1 million. Magkano na po ang kinita ng pera mo when you invested 1 million to cryptocurrency? And how much would you have earned today? How much, guys? 59%. So now tell me, gaano kalaki ang kinikita ng mga fund managers? They're only declaring to you 20% increase of your capital for 1 year. But Bitcoin earned them almost 60%. Diba? This explains why sandamakmak po ang ETFs ngayon na available. Napakarami pong may ETF ngayon because people are raving about crypto. Pero huwag ka munang umalis. Huwag muna tayo mag-celebrate because I'm going to teach you ano ba ang perspektibo, ano ba ang lente ng mga fund managers ngayon tungkol dito. Imaginein mo Imaginein mo. 3 taon sunod-sunod umaakyat ang coin. What's happening? What's going to happen? O sabi dito, the winners, if you followed Warren Buffett's advice and put your money in an S&P 500 index fund, you did well for yourself for last year. The overall index gave you 27% in 2021 and closed at a record 70 times the most since 1995. So ang tanong, bakit po ang mga tao lumalabas ng bangko para i-deposit ang kanilang pera sa mga assets na nag-i-increase? Guys, di ba? Why are they putting? Because takot sila sa inflation. Takot po ang mga tao sa inflation. Bakit? Ano nangyari sa Turkey? Search nyo, Turkey. What happened to the Turkish lira? Ay nako. What happened to Lebanon? What happened to their currency? Di ba? What happened to their currency? Nabalitaan nyo ba yung Turkish lira na issue? Diba? Yung inflation nila, 19-year high. Hindi ko naman nabalitaan nyo guys. No? Isa kang Turkish, gigising ka, yung pera mo, negative 36% devalued na. Bakit? Yung inflation po nila, 36%. Guys, nabalitaan nyo ba yun? Diba? Hindi ko naman nabalitaan nyo yun, no? One of these days, gigising ka, yung pera mo, negative 36% na. Kasi nga, yung inflation nila, ito, headline, Turkey's annual inflation rate surged to its highest level since 2002, in December after a currency crisis sparked by President Recep Tayyip Erdogan unconventional economic policies. Imagine mo yung 1,000,000 mo, paggising mo negative 32%, ang pera mo na lang is 670 plus thousand pesos. Patay tayo diyan. Sorry, I stand corrected. 36%. Check mo yung Reuters. Let's all check it right now. Guys, hindi akong bibiro this can happen in the Philippines anytime kundi lang maayos ang monetary policy natin. Kaya believe ako kay again, not to be political here, no. Believe ako kay Bangko Sentral Governor natin, magaling. Professor 'yan, magaling 'yan. So teka lang Turkish lira inflation. Magaling yung economic managers natin. Ito tingnan mo to, patay 36% guys. 1 hour ago, nabasa nyo ba to? Nababalitaan nyo ba to? Imagine mo, gigising ka ng isang araw, ganyan ang pera mo, negative 36% na. Diba? Let's read this news. Ito, Turkish annual inflation rate surged 36.1%, its highest in 19 years. Diba? In 19 years daw. Diba? So the prices, consumer price went higher, 13.58%. The year-over-year CPI or cost of consumer price index, CPI, is at 13.58%. Turkish lira shed 44, patay tayo dyan guys. Turkish lira shed 44% of its value last year as the central bank slashed interest rates under a drive by Erdogan to prioritize credit and exports over currency and price stability. Diba? 44%. Sino ba naman ang hindi matatakot dito na paggising mo ko ng amagahan, hoy, yung 1,000,000 mo, 660,000 pesos na lang. Ano nangyari? Diba? So, people are looking for an inflation hedge. They would look for investing their money. They will couple that, diba? They're buying USDT. They will couple it. It will be decoupled or coupled rather in a coin or an investment with potential. Diba? So guys, let's all wake up, Filipinos. Huwag tayong gumising ng isang araw na lang, negative 66% na yung pera ng Pilipinas. Huwag tayong gumising na pagising mo, negative 44% na lang yung value ng peso. And it's always a possibility. Imagine mo isang presidente, problema tong presidente na to. Guys, this is a very fresh news. An hour ago. This is crazy. So kailangan tayo bilang isang trader, imaginein mo, iniwan mo yung, again, my topic for today is about year-to-date performance. O for example, imaginein mo, merong isang dalawang Turkish, mga Turko, no, mga Turkish people, no. Yung isang Turkish na tatay, ininvest niya yung 1,000,000 Turkish niya, yung lira niya, he put it on Bitcoin. Okay, for example, put it on Bitcoin. Yung isang Turkish guy sa bangko, sa National Bank of Turkey. Guys, imaginein mo. Yung 1,000,000 ng isang Turkish na tatay, 1.5 million na siya. Yung 1,000,000 ng isang tatay na hindi nag-hedge. I'm trying to simplify it all for you Yung 1,000,000 na hindi nag-hedge sa isang stock, kahit hindi na Bitcoin guys, sabihin mo ng Nasdaq or let's say Facebook, Metaverse or sabihin mo ng Google, if they don't hedge that into an equity, the value of that money is only 660,000 lira. So guys, come to think about it, the delta here is not just 44%. Hindi lang 44%. Bakit? Kasi you have 44% to 100%. But the money of the person who invested in Bitcoin grew to almost 59%. So net-net, yung pera nung tao na nag-invest on Bitcoin is already almost 100% better than those na nawala. Question, nasaan ang pera mo? Nasaan ang pera mo? Kapag yan nasa bangko lahat, tina-challenge kita ngayon, lagot ka. Pag lahat siya nasa bangko, you need to diversify. Ito na guys, I'm just rehashing a news. Hindi ko ito tinatakot. This is the news. After 2021, Nasdaq, which is an index, S&P index yan. S&P, binubuo po yan ng 500 biggest companies na nakalista. No? Nasdaq are technology companies. No? Alright? At ano sinasabi ko sa inyo before? Sino ang mga winners? The energy, di ba sabi ko sa inyo nakaraang araw? The energy sectors, even sa Pilipinas po, the energy sectors, ASEN, case in point, Ayala Energy, ang daming investors from Singapore. Nag-follow up offering pa sila. Meron pa diyan mga what's this? Mga third liners, PHA. Guys, mga third liners. 'Di ba? They're all earning. Bakit? They are the sector for the year. Ng energy companies, no? And of course, ang Philippines, bago tayo sa mga rates, no? Natuwa ako because meron ng Ayala rates, may A rates na, may DDMPR rates, may Robinsons Land rates, no? Merong Philinvest rates. Ang inaantay ko na lang, di ko pa alam kung nagsisimula na sila, yung pinakamalaki sa atin, yung SM. Pag I'm telling you, pag nag-SM rates, kukuha ako. I'm not kidding. I'm just waiting for them. Ang laki ng real estate ng SM, guys. Not just on offices, they also have leisure. They also have, I think Pico de Loro is SM eh. They also have resorts, hotels. Yan ang inaantay ko, ang tagal. Diba? All right, let's move on. So I guess my challenge here, guys, my call to action here is this. Okay, so listen may mga lessons kayo sa akin. You have lesson on January 1, you have a lesson in January 2. Your lesson for me in January 3 is this, guys. Don't allow yourself to become a father that woke up. Isang tatay na nagising na ang pera niya is devalued 44%. Huwag mong hayaan na ang pera mo ma-devalue ng negative 44%. Diba? Is it safe to say na it makes perfect sense? Diba? Is it safe to say that it makes perfect sense na dapat tayo nagde-diversify tayo ng pera? That is your call to action today. Hindi pwedeng ang pera mo puro bangko. Again, di ko sinasabi huwag ka magbangko Kasi hindi ko naman sinasabi na ang gagawin mo lang. I'm just not saying na ang gagawin mo lang dito is Let me just try to open a file. Na ang gagawin mo lang dito is magbangko or mag-crypto lang. Hindi po. Hindi yun ang sinasabi ko. Ang sinasabi ko dito is you have other opportunities. Okay. Let me make it more specific for you. Let's do lira sa bank. Lira coupled with BTC. Okay? So you have father 1, you have father 2. Okay? You have 1 million pesos, 1 million lira, and then you have 1 million lira. Interest rate or growth projected. Okay? Sabihin mo ng 2021. So, meron kang function of 0.25% minus 44%. Okay. Father number 2, nag-BTC. Okay, sabihin mo ng 25%. Okay. So, the value now, the value of that person who went to the bank, okay? Alam kung tama yung formula natin. I will not make this number anymore. Dapat multiplier lang to yan. Okay, so minus times 1 minus plus. Ito naman times 1 plus. So, ang delta, 125 minus. So, nakita mo to? Just take a look at this, guys. Ladies and gentlemen, take a look at this computation. Okay? Para makita mo talaga yung sinasabi natin. Minus 565. So, the father 1, meron kang kinitang interest rate of 0.25 less than negative 44% ng inflasyon. Diba? So, your money got devalued, but the father number 2 is 687,000 richer than the father number 1. Diba? So, what is the call to action here? What is the call to action here? Let's all write it down. Our call to action here, number 3, is number 1, of course, stay defensive. Plan your 2022 and explore investments long term. Long term meaning 6 months to 1 year. I want you guys to start 2022 kung saan isang pera mo nakalagay kay Bitcoin at hindi mo siya gagalawin. You will forget about that. And I want us to talk by January 2 or January 1, 2023. I-revisit natin ito kung tama ba yung ginawa natin. Of course, we will review every quarter, every 6 months, every half a year. Pero i-review natin. I want us to start looking at our investment on a long term. Because ladies and gentlemen, lahat po tayo, we want to grow our capital. Capital growth and pressure, capital appreciation. No, this is what we need. We're not here to lose our money. Sino po dito, mag-type number 1, ang nandito lang para ubusin ng pera niya? Kung kayo po ay nandito para ubusin ng pera niya, nagkakamali po kayo ng pinuntahan, bigyan nyo lang po sa akin yan. This is our call for action, guys. This is January 3, our call to action. I want us to evaluate what is my priority. And even if you're not my student, what I want you to do is this. No? Again, I'm not your advisor. Listen to me, but still do your own research. Here's my suggestion. Let's say you have ₱1,000,000 today. Okay? So let's say $500,000 is in the bank. What I want you to do is to start getting the 20% of your bank savings and put it in crypto. Put it in Bitcoin. Or if you don't want crypto, again, I'm not forcing you, ladies and gentlemen, I want you to look on other assets. For example, we have assets within the DJI or the Dow Jones Index. We have assets there. Okay? Ayan, natutuwa tayo dyan. Nakakatuwa itong ginawa natin, no? Doon talaga siya nag-correct, no? Sa area na to. So, we have Dow Jones Index. What are the assets within Dow Jones? What are the assets within? No, what are the assets within Nasdaq? Mamimili ka na lang. No? If, let's say you wanted to do, Facebook. We wanted to do Facebook. Let's say ang opening ng Facebook January 9, January 2020, this one. Kunin natin. Here. Kunin natin yung price ng January, no? January, yan. This is the price, $200 ang price po ng Facebook or ng Meta at the opening of 2021. Nasaan na po sila ngayon? Let's see what is their growth trajectory. So they're currently on a growth trajectory of 68.12%. 68.12%. So if I am an investor, okay, for 1 year, 1 year good investor to. Sabihin mo na ikaw ay Pilipino. Huwag nang lira yan. Kalimutan mo na yan. Let's say, a Filipino investor. Yan. Let's go now on 2021 Filipino father. Meron siyang 1 million. Meron siyang 1 million. Okay. Tanda, ilagay mo yan ha. Meron siyang 1 million. Let's put the number. Yan. Sabihin natin na ang growth rate, inflation is 4%. Let's make it 4%. Tapos Facebook is at, sorry, ba't ko binago yan? Let's do this. This is 4%. Tapos Facebook is at 67%. Okay? So, this is BPI or BDO or any bank, for example purposes. Okay? This is BTC PHP. Okay? So guys, come to think of this. Come to think of this. Imagine natin, no? Ikaw bilang isang ama, okay? Sabihin mo ng 20, sabi ko 100,000 pesos lang. Ito 100,000 pesos. Sige. 100,000 pesos. Yan. Imaginein mo guys. Imaginein mo. If you put your money in a year in a Nasdaq index account or let's say Google o Amazon o Tesla, 1 year, huwag mong galawin. Money you're willing to lose, 10% or 5% ng pera mo. Imagine if you put 100,000 in the bank, the value of your money after 1 year is 96,250 pesos. Diba? 96,250 pesos. But if you put your money in an equity, you hedge. That's the right word. You are hedging your money in a asset that can appreciate over time. Guys, you would have earned 70,000 pesos na kahit maglulupasay ka dyan sa bangko, they will never give you 70,000 pesos of your interest. Naiintindihan nyo guys? Type number 1 kung naiintindihan. No? Please, kasi bilang isang tao, bilang isang mama, kung ikaw ay nasa 20 anyos na ngayon, congratulations, nakikita mo to ngayon. Kung 30 anyos ka na at 40 anyos ka na, this is a mandatory knowledge for you. Diba? Hindi kita tuturuan ng trading ngayon. Tuturuan kita mag-isip saan mo lalagay yung pera mo. That's my topic for today. Diba? Because year-end performance, imagine guys, imagine mo, kakatrade mo, baka hindi ka talaga trader, baka naman talaga in my personality assessment, you are an investor. Kasi hindi ka maka-appreciate ng mga volatility. So imaginein mo, 100,000 pesos yung capital mo. Okay, ito naman So parehas naman silang, ikumpara naman natin ngayon, parehas naman silang nasa cryptocurrency trading na. Parehas silang aware. They are cryptocurrency aware of the industry. So BTC crypto natives, they are aware of cryptocurrency. Okay. Yung isa, ang ginawa niya, let's remove inflation. Let's remove all of that. Ang ginawa ng isa, bumili siya ng Bitcoin. Okay, ito, approach, ito trader, ito investor. Investor yan. Pareha silang walang alam. Both of them don't know how to trade. Both of them, they don't know how to trade. Now, at the end of the year, by January 1, 2022, okay, because Bitcoin grew to almost 59.66%, the money of the person who invested is already, okay, 100,000 times 1, times 100, 1.5966. Yan yung bago niyang pera. Yung isa natalo, loss. They don't know how to trade. Don't know how to trade. Okay, they don't know both. They both know. They don't know how to trade. Both of them. Okay, that is the scenario. Okay, so this one, both crypto natives don't know how to trade. Okay. Okay. This one, ito naman to, this one is non-crypto natives. One is aware of crypto, one is traditional. Okay. Diba? Guys, take a look at this. Take a look at this comparison. Take a look at this comparison. This comparison will tell you that knowledge is power. Knowledge is going to be power. And knowledge invested on the right areas will give you millions. So if I were you as a trader in under my wing, under my mentoring, under my teachings, ang gusto kong ginagawa ninyo sa inyong wallet, you trade and you invest. You trade and you invest. Secure your futures. Okay? Type number 1 kung nauunawaan, please. Thank you po. Okay, so now, what does this mean? Let me explain to you some risks. Okay? There are some risks here, ladies and gentlemen. No? So, sabi ng mga investors, ito, sabi nila, the forecast for 2022 is still going to rise. The forecast for 2022, the forecast of the coins and other indexes, in this case S&P, is going to be even higher. Bakit? Sabi dito, even if the Federal Reserve prepares for raising of interest rates for the first time since the pandemic, the Goldman Sachs, RBC, Wells Fargo, Credit Suisse, and others predict that S&P 500 will rise between 6% and 11%. Earnings can't maintain the 2021 pace, but it should be still a growing environment. A blowout year of corporate earnings was the story in 2021 because S&P profits rose 45%. Here is my warning to you. Okay? Here is my warning to you. So, for example, for the past 3 years that the index has been growing and growing and growing and growing and growing, let me do a week. Yan. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo. Look at the Facebook, guys. The old price was $23. It's currently priced at 10x multiple of that price since 2013. No? So marami nang kumita dyan. No? From an average of, actually $16 lang yung pinakasimula. I'm just doing the approximation. You know? Let's now go on Apple. Look at Apple's performance, guys. The performance of Apple was priced at $1 a piece noong 2005. Ngayon po, it's currently priced at $181 a piece or 181.28. Netflix, ang current price po nila nung sila ay nagsimula ng 2010, the price was $2.45. Ngayon po, $700. Grabe. Tesla, they're back on a $1 trillion mark. Congratulations to the Tesla hodlers here. Tesla started at low 50s or 48 point something. It's currently at the previous all-time high of 1241. It's currently sitting at 1151. No? Here's my warning to all of you. Okay, look at Nasdaq. Nasdaq, pataas po ng pataas din. Nagsimula po ang Nasdaq. Of course, the early 1990s, it's currently at 149. Ngayon it's currently at 15,688. So ginagamit ng mga statisticians at mga econometricians o ng mga traders, syempre ibabangga nila yung index nila dapat sa takbo ng Nasdaq, ng US 100 index, the top 100 companies in the whole of the US. So bilang isang trader, wala ka ng talo. Kasi yung takbo ng index ng states, bilang a superpower, it will always go higher and higher and higher. Here is my value proposition to you. Okay? Hindi po masamang mag-invest. Okay? Listen to this very carefully. Hindi masamang mag-invest. Ang masama, listen to this very carefully ha, ang masamang gagawin mo, hindi masama itong illustration na to. May problem that you can potentially have an error, okay, is if you invest your entire money in, okay, in an investment or an asset that has significant volatility. Okay, I'll give you an example. Ikaw bilang isang trader, ikaw itong tatay na to. Sabi mo, investor ka. Sabi mo, you're going to be an investor. Iba-iba ang klaseng investor. Okay? Different types of investors, no? Sino-sino yung mga yan? What are those types of investors? May mga investor na they are willing to see. Kasi within Bitcoin, you need to remember, Bitcoin hit a $69,000 price. Ngayon, it's currently down $49,000 or even lower. Kung ikaw isang investor, pwedeng winidraw mo na yan on the all-time high. Diba? Again, from the drawing natin, from a volatility perspective, listen to this carefully. Okay? Okay. Currently, the price is $49,000. Okay, but you need to remember on November, October 2021, the price was around $69,000. And around June, the price was around $32,000. And you started January started at around $31,000. Let me double check Bitcoin's performance. Just give me a second, guys. No? Okay. Bitcoin started January around here. Yan. January currently at around yan. January itong candle na to, this one. Around the candle opened December 28, 22,400. And itong candle this open January 4, it's 26,303. Okay. 26,303. Okay. You need to remember that a 49,000, okay, kunin natin to 69,000 divided by 26. Okay. Tapos, 32,000 divided by 46, yan. Okay. And 49,000 divided by 26. This is the 86% growth. We're doing only the approximation, pero based on the December 31 ending, we only finished at 60%. No? Imagine mo to. Your coin, kumita ka na ng 262%, Panginoon ko, ng pera mo. Kumita ka na ng November. Okay? Kumita ka na. No? And you only allowed yourself, well, technically 162%. And then you only allowed yourself, dumating ang June, yung kinita mo, no, na around $64,000 nung March, nung April, hinayaan mong bumaba to almost 121% or technically 21% profit. Pag hindi ka sanay sa volatility, mauurat ka sa cryptocurrency. If you are not If you are using your money, okay, na pangkain mo bukas, okay, sabihin mo na ang pera mo is 10,000 pesos. Kapag pinang-invest mo yan at kailangan mo din yan, pag nakita mo yung pera mo bumagsak ng $29,000 rather, nag-$29,000 dito nung around June, July. Pag bumagsak ng $29,000, yan iiyak ka. Uy, yung pera ko lumiit na. Galing sa ilagay natin na March. Ano ba yung presyo ng coin ng March? Lagyan natin dito, March ito. April, humataw ng $65,000 nung April. Tapos bumaba ng $28,000. Bumaba. If you are not good in volatility and you are investing your money that you are going to use for the tuition fee of your kids, this is not an industry for you. Let me be the one to close the door for you. Sakit pakinggan, coach. I'm just being very honest. Ang trabaho ko dito, hindi i-entice ka na mag-invest. Ba't kita i-entice? Pangkain mo yan. Ha? Why am I going to entice you if you need that money to send your children to school? Diba? The volatility is real. You can earn 262%. But at the same time, that money, you can lose that in 2 months and lose the money almost, yung drawdowns niyan, almost 100% volatility. Ganun po kalaki ang volatility ng crypto. So, hindi ko sinasabi na iwan mo lang yung pera mo dyan. That's wrong. What we need to know as traders is that our money, we need to shield it for inflation. Lagyan natin to dito. Let's put it in our lessons learned. Here. Put it here. Grow your capital, but do not invest money that you need to buy food tomorrow. Okay. Naiintindihan po. Can you please confirm na naiintindihan nyo po ito? Can you please confirm? Type number 1, guys. Ano pang magandang letter? Ito green na lang. Yung mga base. Black na lang. Black. Okay, please confirm that you understand this. Please confirm that you understand. Type number 1, please. Okay, good. So malinaw po ba yung explanation ni Miranda Miner? Malinaw po? Pag meron kayong mga kaibigan na hindi po nauunawaan yung inflasyon, please send them this video. If you have friends that don't understand the value of hedging, please send them this video. No? Kasi importante sa atin bilang isang trader, dapat alam po natin paano po natin palakihin ang pera natin. Huwag po lang sa bangko. Mali po yun. That's wrong. To give you an idea, Miranda Miner, I have money in the bank, I have insurance, I have mutual funds. I have several investments. Nakakalat po. Nakakalat po yan. Of course, I have emergency funds. Tinuturo natin yan. You need to have emergency funds. Kailangan liquid ka pa din. Do not, guys, ito another wrong. Another wrong. Okay? That people, okay, please listen to this very carefully, Another wrong na ginagawa ng tao ngayon. Okay? Kasi meron kang 1 million. Okay, 1 million. No? Bili ka ng bahay, ka ng lupa, ka ng kotse. Tapos, yung pera mo, 50,000 pesos. Listen to this carefully, Mali ito, This is wrong. This is wrong. Mali itong mindset na to. Pag ganito ang mindset ng magulang nyo, pakinig nyo sa akin. Turuan ko sila. Okay? So, diyan ko marunong this is just based on experience. No? Okay. Here's the problem here, guys. Here's the problem. If this is your assets, bahay, lupa, kotse, 50,000 pesos. Okay? Here's my problem. Kapag nagkaroon ng emergency and you are not liquid, you're going to sell your properties in a price that you don't want to sell. Type number 1, if you guys have seen the word sacrificial sale. Type the word number 1 if you have seen the word sacrificial sale. Marami pong ganyan. Binibenta yung bahay, napakalaki from Ayala Alabang. Nagkaroon ng sakit yung pamilya. Huwag naman po sana. Because they're not protected. They're not liquid. Diba? How many times have you seen the word sacrificial sale? Ang dami na. Because people, unfortunately, God bless their hearts, they were not trained financially. Yung mga taong sumobrang mayaman, diba? Kabaliktaran naman yan, yung taong sumobrang mayaman, yung mga novo-rich, yung mga biglang yaman, hindi marunong mag-manage ng pera, puro labas-labas, walang ginawang assets. And you need to remember that a house is never an asset. Bakit coach? Bakit di asset yan? Unless your house is giving you revenue income. Okay? Or rental income, it's never an asset. An amortized house is never an asset. Okay? A house that's amortized, a car that's unamortized, do not count them as your asset. Diba? Do not count them as your asset. Ito, maraming mali dito, guys. Bakit ba, Miranda, mayroon ganyan yung mga topics mo? Because we're starting the year, guys. Ako buong taon tuturuan kita ng Fibonacci. Walang problema dun. But for me, I'm very passionate kasi we're starting the year. Nagsimula yung topic ko in terms of understanding year-end performance. Ang ayokong hindi ninyo makuha, like what I've been doing this for many years now, I'm just leaving my money. Hayaan mo lang yung pera mo dyan. Diba? I have money in the stocks, I have money in this, in this, in this. Hayaan mo lang siya. But it doesn't mean that you're not liquid. But it doesn't mean that you'll not know how to spend your assets, how to become liquid. Diba? Kung ikaw, ang hilig mo, puro kotse, bila akong kotse. Bagong kotse ngayon, yung two-door. Two-door car. Tapos, convertible. Sa Pilipinas po, depende pa sa brand. Naku, pagkabili mo, depreciated na, may pangalan na may bunili na Pagkalabas ng kasa, yung ibang kotse, 20% depreciation. Hindi po ako nagbibiro. Paglabas ng gulong ng kasa ng kotse mo, tuwan-tuwa ka. Tanong mo ngayon magkano resale value niyan. Tanong mo sa akin magkano resale value ng isang not Toyota kotse. Ang kotse po sa Pilipinas, kapag hindi po yan Toyota, mababa po ang resale value, trust me. Pagkalabas po ng kotse mo, patay tayo dyan, negative 20% car value yan. Diba? Nungulekta ka ng kotse, very good, good job. Good job. Diba? At the end of the day, may kotse ka nga, paglabas ng kasa, nagbayad ka 1.2 million yung kotse. Diba? Binabayaran mo. Tapos yung bangko, naglagay sa'yo ng 60% interest for 5 years. So almost binayaran mo 1.8 million. Pagkalabas ng kotse mo, negative 20% car value, 1.2 minus 20%. Almost 800,000 yung value ng kotse mo. Ano binabayaran mo sa bangko? Panginoon ko, 1.8 million. Diba? 1.8 million binabayaran mo sa bangko, yung presyo ng kotse mo, 800,000. Guys, real talk tayo. So, my purpose, yung mga friends kayo na hindi alam ang investment, you would like them to get encouraged, send them this video. The performance of high-yielding assets, okay? Be very careful choosing your right coins din. Tinuturo naman natin yan. I will not cover that here. We will not solve this problem today. We will not solve for choosing the right coins on this topic. It's going to be very, very confusing na. I just want us to focus on investing your money to protect on cases like this. Real talk tayo, January 3, 2022. Guys, Real talk, it can happen in anywhere. It can happen in the Philippines. This can happen everywhere in the world. So ang tanong, are you gonna be one of those learned few? Are you gonna be one of those educated few? Are you gonna be one of those na natuto, na na-enlighten, no? Na yung pera, dapat liquid ka, pero huwag mo ilagay lahat sa mga non-liquid assets because you're going to sell them on sacrificial assets. And if you don't know how to trade, learn. These are my examples. Get a screenshot of this, guys. Ayan, no? Father 1, inflation yung pera niya. Yung 1 million niya, ito guys, it is a totoong istorya to guys. This is a real story. Listen to me very carefully. Again, listen. Nakaka-touch tong story na to. Itong tatay na to, listen ha, itong tatay na to, government employee. Itong 1 million peso, iniipon niya sa bangko. Since he was 40 years old, listen ha, since he was 40 years old to 60 years old, for 20 years, inipon niya yung 1 million na yan. Guys, yung mama, sabi niya, this is my gift to myself on retirement. This money in the bank is my gift for my retirement. This money in the bank is my gift for my future. Guys, itong mama na to, nag-retire December 20, 2021. Ito natin ha, retired December 20, 2021. He was walking to the bank. He was walking to the bank, yung kulang na lang na kulang sa tornilyong presidente nila, nag-declare ng fiscal and monetary policy na protektahan ng exports versus currency stability, naglalakad yung mama, papunta ng bangko, boom! Sumabog yung inflation. Yung mama, 20 years na nag-ipon ng pera pang retirement. Por Diyos por Santo, yung mama, yung matanda, pumunta ng bangko, hello, yung pera mo hindi 1 million, yung pera mo 562,500 lira. Sino hindi maiinis niyan, guys? 20 years mong inipon sa bangko. You were walking after your, tunto ka retirement ka, 20 years ka nagtrabaho sa bangko. Retired! Woo! OFW, 20 years ka nagtrabaho sa OFW. Pag uwi mo sa Pilipinas, boom, sumabog yung inflation. Kamusta ang savings mo? 1 million pa din ba yung savings mo? Di ba? 1 million pa din ba ang savings mo? Totoong story yan, guys. That's very true. So, Filipino traders, wake up. We need to be aware of the financial performance of the assets that we are working on. Hindi po natatapos sa bangko ang pag-iipon. Yan po ang tinuturo sa atin ng tayo ay bata. Tayo po ay matanda na, alam na po natin kung saan mag-i-invest. Yes? Alam na po? Okay. Ngayon, I would leave our discussion today. Ito ang aking huling-huling statement. Okay, this is going to be my last statement for you. If you don't know what to do, if you are struggling to know where to put your money, and of course, don't give it to me. Pipitikin ko ilong mo. I'm not here to get any money. I'm here to teach. I'm here to influence. I'm here to mentor. Pera mo yan. Bigay sa akin, hawak mo yan. Tatanggapin niya. My end of the day call to action is if you don't know what to do, if you don't know what to do, I will encourage you to listen to Coach Miranda Minor every day. Listen and learn. Don't be the father na nag-ipon for 20 years only to find out that his money got devalued 44%. Do not become the father na nag-ipon ng 20 years, OFW 20 years, OFW 15 years, 10 years. Ipon, bangko, ipon. Walang problema sa pag-iipon sa bangko. Walang problema dun. The problem is the uncertainty, the uncontrollables. Diba? We're not here to give you a risk-free. Wala pong ganun. Pag may nagsabi sa'yo, uy, risk-free ito, pitikin mo sa ilong, lumayo ka na. Pag may nagsabi sa'yo, risk-free yung investment, pitikan no, invite mo sa akin, pitikin yung ilong niya. Pag nagsabing risk-free, layuan mo. Diba? Mali yun. Something's creepy. So, don't become the father that lost 20 years of pinagpagudan only to find out they will lose 44% of their money. Don't become like that. Learn. Learn. Watch out. Stay in this channel. We're starting the year on a strong footing. Sama-sama tayo. Di naman natin tinuturuan na maging, invest mo ito isang coin. Have you ever listened? Have you ever heard me like that? Have you ever, ako ba naging isang one-trick pony? Ako ba yung mentor nyo na isa lang yung tinuturo ko buong taon? No. I'm teaching you everything. And we are on a free YouTube. Diba? I will not only teach you the system, I will not only teach you the trading systems, I will not only teach you the other techniques, but I will make you realize the reality of life. Hindi po madali ang buhay. Sa totoo lang. No? Kaya kailangan lagyan ko ng konting real talk. Tinan mo, headline. Grabe guys, ang hirap mabuhay in Turkey, ang hirap mabuhay in Lebanon. Alam niyo ba in Lebanon, almost 80% ang kanilang inflation, Panginoon ko po. Sino mabubuhay dun sa bansang yun? Yung pera mo, after 1 million, 200,000 na lang. Diba? So anyways, I hope you learned something for our topic today. I'm just being very, very passionate, no? Kasi, guys, sabi ko nga sa inyo, ang December, this is the time where people are evaluating finances, they're evaluating their year. Nabalitaan nyo na ba to? Another one, no? Another good topic ito. Nabalitaan nyo na ba yung Great Resignation? Nabalitaan nyo na to, Great Resignation in 2021 in the States. Guys, I am part of this resignation 2021. I resigned. But I charted my path. I charted my territory. The Great Resignation is a phenomena na marami na pong tao ang gustong mag-resign. Bakit? Mental issues. Cabin fever, buryong. Totoo po yan. Totoo yung buryong, guys. Hindi ako nagbibiro. Ang dami pong nagre-resign. Maganda yung trabaho. Buryong. They don't love what they do. Type number 1 kung minsan nag-iisip na mag-resign. Sorry. Type number 1 kung minsan you're part of that na gusto na mag-resign. Guys, this is a phenomena. This is real. Ayan, no? The Great Resignation of 2021. In 2021, 4 million Americans quit their jobs in 2021. I'm sure you're listening to me right now, gusto mo nang layasan yung boss mo. I'm sure right now, gusto mo nang umuwi sa Pilipinas. I'm sure right now, you're willing to give up your 8-to-5 job and you want to have a job or an industry that will help supplement and replace your income today. That's why you are here. That's why you're listening. That's why you would like to learn how to trade. Am I correct? You're all here today because you would like to learn how to trade. You would like to learn how to, you are part of the Great Resignation 2021. This is real. And all of you are here because you want to have an income replacement. And congratulations, because you are in the right community. You are in the right house. You are in the right family. You are in the right channel. Sabi ni Russell Manaig, umay na coach semiconductor 22 years. Grabe pala. 22 years. A lot of you right now, 536 viewers, hindi bumababa eh. Kanina pa tayo na sa 500. All of you right now are listening to me because you are able to relate. Nakaka-relate ka sa akin. Nabuburyong ka na sa trabaho mo, kahit work from home yan, pustahan tayo. Pustahan tayo. Anong problema ng mga empleyado? Coach, traffic. Binigyan ng work from home. Pinag-work from home in 2 years, mas lalong na mental issue. Bakit? Paano? Ang bahay ng Pilipino, ginawa ba yan para sa opisina? Hindi. Ginawa ba ang bahay ng Pilipino, magkaroon ka ng office, meron kang ganito na parang camera? Hindi po. Hindi ginawa ang bahay ng Pilipino magkaroon ng opisina. Ano ka, nek-nek mo? Huwag tayo maglokohan dito. Guys, ginawa ang bahay para tulugan. This pandemic made our house as if we are at work. Nahirapan ng tao, work-life integration. Hirap na hirap ang tao. Ergo, nag-resign ang mga tao, umalis, napagod. Dinala yung trabaho sa bahay. Dinala yung trabaho sa bahay. Ano nangyari? Non-stop work. Non-stop work. Akala mo makakaligtas ka? Akala mo work from home masaya? O after 2 years, 2020 hanggang 2022, tingnan mo ngayon, nag-resign, napagod. Ano nangyari? Coach, yung anak ko nasa back. Una parang TikTok mo lang yan, masaya-saya ka, di ba? Yung anak ko nasa background, coach. Nahihirapan na ako pagsabayin trabaho at pagiging nanay, pagiging asawa, pagiging... Lahat napagod ka eh. Am I correct? Eh, tingnan mo, exactly. At kayo nag-agree. That is the great resignation phenomena. And you are one of that. Huwag tayong malukuhan dito. Lahat tayo, candidate niyan. Pagod na sa trabaho. Hindi ka pagod physically. Pagod ka mentally. Buryong, cabin fever. Panginoon ko, 6 months kang nilagay sa bahay. Sino di mapapagod nun? Di ba? Sino di mapapagod? 6 months kang binuryong sa bahay, hindi ka lumalabas sa 4 na corner ng bahay mo. Sige nga, kaya mo ba yun? Ang wag mo lang iuwi yung mga taga St. Peter. Masaya tayo dyan. Wag mo iuwi yung St. Peter. Pipitikin ka na magulang mo. May nag-comment. Sino ba yung nag-comment na yun? Si Edwin Santos. Ay, naku, nakakatuwa ka. Ay, nako. Guys, yun lang yung topic ko, no? Yun lang yung topic ko. Natutuwa lang ako sa topic na to kasi nga, again, ang dami kasing, alam mo, we only started April of 2021, no? So, ang dami kong gustong itopic sa bungad ng taon. Sana naman tutunan ka. Sana nagkaroon ka ng konting reality. Alam mo yun, yung show natin konting tawa, alam mo yun, a lot of learnings. Di ba merong parang, complete show na, di ba? You have a lot of learnings here. At alam mo, sa totoo lang, ikaw kasi, you're going to be able to relate with me. Nakaka-relate ka sa akin. Kaya maganda dito ka, nakikinig ka sa akin, no? Because tingin ko magka-same age naman tayo, 21 lang ako. Di ba? Magka-same age lang tayo. Di ba? So, tambay ka lang dito. I think you will learn a lot from our channel. Hindi lang tayo, ayoko nang puro tayo technical charting. Ayoko nang ganun kasi ulit-ulit 'yan eh. Although sabi ko nga ang DeFi umaangat pataas Umaangat pataas. No? So, yun ang topic natin today, no. I'm not going to do any charting today kasi gusto ko pag-usapan natin ano ba yung investor mindset. Maganda to. Nagandahan ako. Kahit ako, nagandahan din ako sa topic natin. Maganda yung inikutan ng topic eh. Sana, i-share mo. Share mo sa mga kaibigan mo, natuto ko dito, panoorin mo tong video na to. I'd learn from here. And if you learn, please, before you leave the live, please mag-like ka. Please like our channel. No? Please like our video. Para handang-handa ka na, buong-buo ka. Hindi ka magaling lang sa trade, magaling ka sa street smarts, magaling ka sa diskarte sa buhay. Magaling ka. Makinig ka lang. Hindi naman tayo, as far as I am concerned, being humble here, no? Hindi naman tayo kahit papaano, meron din tayong pinag-aralan, meron din po tayong naipon, no? Meron din po tayong learnings, meron po tayong effective systems, and, uy guys, by the way, uy, malapit. Nakikita mo ba to? Nakikita mo yan? Uy, malapit na. Malapit na. Malapit na po ang ating website. Antayin mo yan. I'm very, very proud and I'm very, very happy. Maraming salamat po. Diba? Basta, dikit ka lang dito. Ako bahala sa'yo. I'm going to take care of your 2022. Pangako ko sa'yo yan, no? I will take care of you and I will take care of your decision making. Kung meron kang hindi sure, meron kang hindi sigurado, basta join ka lang every 10 o'clock or mag-replay ka. Replay. No? I'm just gonna be here. I will take care of you, your mindset. Kung ikaw ay isang bata, binata, 20 or isang dalaga, 20 years old pataas, learn. This is the best place to be. You're in the right place. We're here. Diba? I'm here for you. I'm going to guide you. And the community that we have right now, all of the community right now here on this channel, the moderators, everyone, Charles, Clarice, yun, Erin, makikita ko lahat dyan, all of us will help you. We're all here to help you. So, I promise, I will take care of you. Okay? Hindi po ako makakalimot dyan. Lahat ng mga learnings na to, I will share it to all of you to become very, very successful. Okay guys, so wala na tayong charting today. No? Hindi naubos na yung oras ko. No? Oras na rin po kasi. Actually, sige nga, isang chart lang, mabilis na chart lang to. I'll just do one chart. I'll just do Bitcoin right now para makita ninyo. Sorry. Medyo yung lalamunan ko. Medyo kailangan ko magkalamansi. Nakita ko yung comment kanina. Salamat po. We're improving our audio. No? Thank you po. We're improving our audio. And hindi ko pinapangakong ganyan lagi yan, pero we will try all our best to make our audio like this. No? So, okay. Okay. So, the same thing for Bitcoin. Meron siyang pag-consolidate. No? Magantay tayo ng malaking volume. Within the range na ginawa natin kahapon, ganun po. Within the range na ginawa po natin kahapon, yung 618 range na ginawa natin, you can continue to use that, no? Doon po magre-range ang Bitcoin natin. Kung hindi kayo sanay mag-Bitcoin, invest lang on Bitcoin. Huwag na kayo mag-trade muna. Because the consolidation is real, no? Ang hirap po mag-trade ng consolidating coin or ng ranging coin, no? So, within the 618 area dito, yan. At kukunin ko tong isang taas from swing low to swing high. Sorry. Ubo tayo. Okay. Yan. Diyan po iikot yan. No? Diyan po iikot yung triangle niya. Ay, sorry. Yung kanyang rectangle. No? So, diyan mo siya kukunin sa area na to. Mukhang iikot sa 45 to 52,000. Diyan umiikot si Bitcoin. No? So, within this range. Okay? Alright. So, you can do intraday. Intraday here. Tingin ko tataas to. Kasi meron ng right hand, no? Tagal niya na nag-right. Wala lang talaga siyang volume, kaya the volume is insignificant, but there is already a right hand, which means that the coin can go higher. The coin lang hindi umaakyat ng sobra-sobra simply because we have we have no volume. Okay? So maganda rin sana yung dito, nagkaroon siya ng potential breakout. Umakyat naman, very good naman. Umakyat from an average of 48,000, humataw siya ng 52,000 almost. No? So, in this particular case, nagre-range yung coin from swing low to swing high. By the way, nag-trade ako kanina. Kumita tayo dyan. Ito, nakita mo yung 618 na yon. So, yan. So, ginagawa niyang tuntungan pataas yan. No? So, I traded, ano ba yung trade ko kanina? Take profit eh. Link. No, I traded Link pala. Naka 24% tayo dyan profit. Very, very good. Ayan. So, technically, meron kang 618 na sasaluhin dito. Potentially, pwedeng umakyat na to. Pero, ang tabay, no? Walang magandang trade break. Walang trend resistance breakout ako nakikita. Meron maliit. Maliit to. This is not significant. This is grade B. Maliit. This is very, very short. No? Unless otherwise, bumasag na ng 52,000 yan. And this is very much expected, guys, no? Because sa mga intermediate students ko, dapat alam nyo to, guys, ha? Intermediate students. Ang ginagawa po ng coin, expected po ito. Okay? Because you have ito, trend resistance breakout, consolidation, early magic, late magic, bounce on support, consolidation. Ito pong consolidation, expected po ito. No? Kahit po humataw na pataas ito because walang volume, pwede pa rin siyang mag-consolidate and create another apex. Parang pong ganito. Ito nyo po yan. Nagkaroon po ng long consolidation from May hanggang July. Ito naman, from December hanggang January, baka mga ilang araw pa, no? Trabaho po ng market na mag-consolidate. So, yan. Yung area na to. So, antayin natin. Intraday. Basta within this range ka magte-trade. Within this range, okay? Sinabi ko na ba't nag-support yan dyan, ha? Why is it supporting here? May 618. Why is it resistance here? Because there's a 618 as well. Okay. So, isang trade na lang. Sorry, bumaba ng konti. Nag-retrace na to. On 1 hour, nag-aantay tayo dito ng 1 hour. Yan. Okay. So, I did... ayan. So, meron tayong trend resistance po dito. Ay, nawala. Yun. We have our trend resistance because of the very, 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 very good volume. We have an opportunity to go down on a 30 minutes. Yan. Nagkaroon ng oras as expected. Umangat. Okay. Umangat because of the unusual volume. Pwede pa ba kunin sa 15 minutes to eh. No? You can get it in 15 minutes. No? Pwede mo pa rin kunin yan. So, unusual volume, very, very good yan. Sinustain niya, pataas. Pero syempre, ano nga ba ini-expect natin? Magkakaroon ng oras yan, no? Kasi meron ditong 618 area sa taas na to. So from swing high to swing low, nagkaroon ng 618, nagkaroon ng oras tumuntong, binuga niya pataas. Itong taas na to, pwede itong mag-382 bounce. Pwede mag-382, then potentially go higher again, and we'll see, depending on takbo ng MACD kung magko-confirm, no? Kasi maganda yung volume dito. Pwede mag-382 lang yan. Or in this case, nag-0.5, then it can go higher. Abangan mo. Yun ang power ng system natin. It can help you confirm trends na hindi ka naiipit. Okay, nag-confirm na on 2269 and 23 something, no? Otherwise, kung hindi mo nakita itong trend resistance na ito, pwedeng ang ginawa mo lang dyan, confirmation as early as 2238. Pwede mong ginawang confirmation yan. No? Another confirmation na ginawa mo is confirmation on the 618 area. Hindi ka na gumawa ng trend resistance. No? Ang pwedeng ginawa mo, swing high, swing low, 618 area yun. Umataw pataas, nagkaroon ng oras, binugo niya ulit pataas. And again, this one, if you think about it, let's say tanggalin mo tong area na to, gawa ka ng swing low, swing high to swing low, meron kang tinatawag na 1.618 area, and again, pwede niyang tuntungan yan, pwedeng tumaas pa, depende on the candles, no? Depende on the MACD. In this case, it's pointing downwards. It looks like magko-consolidate or pwedeng saluhin ng previous support sa 22.29 before itulak pataas. Again, wait for confirmations. Okay, alas 12 na guys. Sobrang alas 12 na. O yun muna. No? Yun muna yung aralin natin. Yung iba, to follow na lang. Again, sana natuto ka guys. O, sabi ni Gerald Abel, TP Tuesday tomorrow. Yes, mag-ingat ha. Bukas TP Tuesday. We'll see kung baka umiba ng tempo ang bit ko. Malam mo, maging bullish yan. Na natin. So with that said, again, maraming salamat. Natutuwa naman ako, medyo okay na yung audio natin for 2022. Sana magtuloy-tuloy. And abangan mo yung launch ng ating website. Malapit na. And maraming salamat po sa ating mga kaantabay, mga moderators. Binabati ko lang si Sheila, Shika, Justin, Erin, Jem, maraming salamat. Prince, maraming salamat. Kamusta na dyan? Sa Pampanga, Clarice, Kuya Dan. Yan. Salamat sa inyo. Lahat naman di ko mababati. Maraming salamat. Okay guys, I love you 3,000 ka Miranda and stay here. We love you and good night. Thank you. Salamat.